House Select Subcommittee held a hearing about a vaccine hesitancy at Chicago's Malcolm X College today.
Mayor Lori Lightfoot and Illinois' top doctor among those testifying. WGN political reporter Taman Bradley live with details. Hi, Taman.
Hi, Micah and Ray. America has an abundance of COVID-19 vaccine, but still 30% of the population remains unvaccinated. Lawmakers want to know why. Today, Congress took a deeper look at COVID vaccine hesitancy. Representative Roger Krishnamurthy led a House Select Subcommittee hearing at Malcolm X College in Chicago.
Nationwide, more than 20% of all adults and children over the age of 12 have not yet received even one dose of vaccine.
Among the witnesses, Mayor Lori Lightfoot and Director of the Illinois Department of Public Health, Dr. Ngozi Ezike.
There's a small percentage that are anti-vax, that are never going to reach it.
Since April 2021, when the rate of vaccination actually began to slow in Illinois, the population of individuals left to be vaccinated is increasingly composed of people hesitant to the COVID-19 vaccine.
Health officials say the vaccine hesitant population is mostly comprised of young Americans, people of color, and residents of rural areas.
We know that everything is political, but it's also become, unfortunately, partisan, and that part has made some people make a decision against the vaccine.
Ezike and Lightfoot both discussed the role misinformation plays in the pandemic.
There's still a persistent drumbeat of misinformation out there about the vaccine, about the efficacy of it, what the ingredients of it, what was used, and so forth.
Ezike wants Congress to help get in front of the problem.
By the time we are actually aware of some of these, ideas that have just permeated and bathed the people, it's a very uphill battle to get on top of that because that news spreads so quickly.
Lightfoot says city health officials are learning an ambassador to specific communities can counter false information.
When we're able to have those kind of one-on-one conversations, we're able to break through at remarkable rates.
So much work left to do. On Friday, Chicago will close its public schools so that parents can get their kids vaccinated. We're live tonight on the Near West Side. Taman Bradley, WGN News.